Ready for work or play, this great-looking 2014 Ram 1500 SLT 4x4 shows well inside and out. This popular truck is finished in metallic silver and rides on 20-inch alloy wheels. From the back, this clean low-kilometer pickup features a sliding rear window, chrome bumper, trailer connectors, and a bumper guard. Opening the tailgate reveals the truck has a bed liner that's in top condition. From the driver's side, the truck looks upscale with tinted glass, a chrome bumper, and chrome grille surround. Inside, the cabin is spacious, the upholstery is in good condition, and everything is well laid out. Features include air conditioning, a dash-mounted shift selector, power windows and locks, cruise control, tilt steering, a large center console, and an AM/FM sat radio audio system with steering wheel controls. In the back, there's comfortable seating for 3 with plenty of legroom for passengers, or use the space for additional cargo capacity. The engine bay is clean and power comes from a 5.7 Litre Hemi V8 mated to an automatic transmission. Don't delay, call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Leathead Road in Kelowna.